Hello and welcome to Tech Dragons Academy. Today in this video we are going to discuss what basically Cisco Networking Academy is and how you can create your account on Cisco Networking Academy website and how you can activate your account. So at the moment we are conducting a Cisco Cyber Security Warriors Learnathon and you can be a part of it. So let's get started. First of all, you have to go to netacad.com, which is basically a web address of Cisco Networking Academy website. On this web page or website, you can see there are many other options like courses. You can see the detail of these courses and many other options that you can also check. So if you already have a Cisco Networking Academy website account, you simply have to go to login, and when we click on login you have to provide your email address and a password of Cisco Networking Academy website account, and you can simply log into that account. But at the moment we are going to discuss what basically Cisco Networking Academy is and how we can activate the Cisco Networking Academy account. So if you want to enroll in Cisco Networking Academy courses, you have to contact a Cisco Networking Academy in your area or online. Those are offering Cisco courses. So as Tech Dragons Academy is offering Cisco courses, so there are two options. You can contact our instructors to enroll yourself in the course, or you can simply enroll yourself using a self-enrollment link. So in this video I am going to discuss how you can enroll yourself using a self-enrollment link. As you can see, there is a course Introduction to Cybersecurity, and I will show you how you can enroll yourself using self-enrollment link. So just click on register now. In this page you can see the details of the course and a description what this course is about and how you can enroll. On the right side, as you can see, there is a enrollment option. So in the first option you have to select your country. So you will select your country. As I am based in Pakistan, so I am going to select Pakistan. So next option is you have to select your date of birth, and the first option is the month of your birth. So the month in which is your birth month, you have to select it. So the second option you have to select is the year in which you are born. So after selecting your birth year, you have to click on next account details. So now you have to provide your first name. So first name is basically the first part of your name. So I'm using a dummy user, so I'm writing the first and middle name in the first name option. So last name is basically the last name is basically your family name or last part of your name. So now I have written the last name, and now you have to log in your email account and provide the email address that you will be using to create your Cisco Networking Academy account. So currently I am using a Google Gmail address. So I just go to the enrollment page and I will copy and paste the email address, and you can type it. So after that you have to select the area in which you are based in the country. So after selecting the area, you have to, there is a security question basically like I am not robot. So you have to solve this question. So if you correctly solve this question, there will be a highlighted submit button. So you also can check this, I would like to receive emails. So you can receive the Cisco Networking Academy email in your email account. After providing these emails, you just have to click on submit. After submitting, the course registration form, you will receive a message that thank you for enrolling. To get started, we emailed a link to activate your account. So first of all, you have to activate your Cisco Networking Academy account. So for activating your Cisco Networking Academy account, you have to go to your email address and log into your email address, and then as you can see on the screen, I am logged in my Gmail account. So there is an email from Cisco Networking Academy. The subject of this email is welcome to Cisco Networking Academy and activate your account. So I sometimes this email goes to the spam email section. So you have to go check your, if you are not receiving the email, you have to go to the spam email or junk email option in your email account, and there you can find this email. So after opening this email, as you can see, there is your name, and then there is a activate account button. If this activate account button is not not working, you will see a URL or link which you can use to activate your account. So I simply will click on activate account button. So after clicking on this activate account button, this window will open, and you have to create a Cisco Networking Academy account password. So you first of all, you have to provide a password. So please read these requirements. The password should be at least 8 characters, 1 lowercase ABC letter and 1 uppercase capital letter of English, and 1 number, 1 digit, right? So there should be no part of your username in the password. So I'm writing the password now. You can use the password that you will remember and that is secure. So after writing the password, you just have to click on create my account. So after clicking on create my account, this profile will be open. You have to complete your complete Cisco Networking Academy profile. So if you have any mistake in your name, you can edit at this portion, and if there is no mistake, you can simply proceed. So you can check this, that you are agree to provide more information. Then you have to provide your gender. If you are male, select male. If you are female, select female. Do you have a disability? If you have any disability, you can select yes. If no, then simply select no. What is your practical experience in information and technology? So if you are a beginner, you can simply select none or less than 1 year. So I am just selecting none. I am a beginner. So you must check this option. I would like to receive email communication about courses, so you can receive the updates from Cisco Networking Academy. After selecting all these options and completing your profile, just simply click on create account option. So after clicking on create account, your profile is completed. Congratulations. And as you can see on the screen, you can now get started with your course. So now as this student is enrolled in the course, so you can simply click on launch course button, and this course will be launched. So sometimes this window does not appear. So what you will do if this window doesn't appear? So you will simply go to netacad.com. okay, so you will go to login option. If you are already logged in, you will be distracted to or converted to your main page. So as you can see, there is a one listed course. You simply have to click on launch course button. So when you will click on launch course button, you can see your course content, and there are different chapters and other quizzes and exams that you can attempt. So if I scroll down, I can see there is a chapter 1. So how you will study the course? Simply click on launch chapter. So after clicking on launch chapter, you have to you will see this window in which you can study your course. So after clicking on launch your chapter, you will see this window, and you can simply click on next, and you can study this content. And if you have studied all this content and now you are ready to attempt a quiz, you can simply close it, and you can go to your NetAcad profile and launch course, and then you can see there is a quiz. So you can simply click on this quiz and attempt quiz now. There are different scenarios. There may be some assessments and some exams and some other things. So you will simply check these options in your quiz or exam and click on finish attempt. So now you have attempted your quiz, and in this way you will complete your course. So now have a look on what basically Cisco Networking Academy website offer. So as you can see on the right side, you can see your name, and there is a my profile option. You can go to your my profile option, and in my profile option, if you want to change anything like your email or your name, you can change it, and you can add your recovery number. And in the bottom of this page, you can see you are a student enrolled in an academy, and the name of academy is Tech Dragons Academy. After enrollment, you will be assigned a Cisco student ID. So this is Cisco Networking Academy unique student ID, but your local academy like Tech Dragons Academy will assign you a student ID that will appear in next to your student status. So you can see your student ID here. So other options are certificates and letters, discounts, and many other things. We will discuss about them in future. You can simply go to certificates and letter options, and if you have completed a course, you can simply download your certificates and letter from this option. So in this video we have discussed that how you can activate your account and how you can simply launch your course and study your course and your final exams and other exams. And in this section you can see there are upcoming updates like when to attempt the quiz and when the account or exam is going to open and when you have to attempt it and what is the last date to attempt your exams. So thank you very much for watching this video, and I hope you have learned a lot. Please subscribe to this channel and share this video to your friends so they can get the benefit. Thank you. Have a good day.